Guys, till this we created this floor and added this shining effect, and we created these lights for DJ wall. Okay, now today we will finalize this project with character animation and light rotation here. So now I will do first thing. I will reduce this thickness because it's not looking that much good. So I will just reduce this thickness by decreasing the height. So let me go to my code, and here you see uh, here we have this thing, and we have this uh, geometry. So I will reduce it up to 2. So let me check. Okay, so now this is looking fine. Okay, so now as we are done, now we will load the character and other stuff. So first I will add this lightning extra effect of lightning, and for this I will go to the ThreeJs website, and I will add lensFlare with PointLight. So I will just copy this much of code, and I will paste it here, and apart from this uh, I will change the texture path. So I have already this 3GS master, and we have to take care of, like, here in example. So you have this texture, and in texture we have this lens flare, and inside lens flare this lens flare 0 png. So I will again do such like this, and so I will take the relative path and 3JS master, and after that examples. Yeah, so and forward slash. So we just need to add this thing in front of every texture path, and apart from this, and we are adding this light. So let me check if we can change this name point. Okay, and okay, and now again go to this browser. Okay, so I think we have to add this light into the screen. That's why it's not. So let me save it and check my browser. Okay, so lens flare is not defined. So I think we have to just add something before lens flare. I think here we have to add 3 dot lens flare. Now save it and check it again. Okay guys, so we are getting this lens flare is not a constructor. So I think I haven't imported that. So let me go to this, and uh, let me import this. So from objects we have to import this lensFlare.js. So now let's save it and reload it. Okay, and we have to just go to here and add element, lensFlare element. So we have to add 3 prefix. Okay, now we are done, I think. Okay, so let me close this inspector, and I think we haven't added this into the scene. So I will add scene dot add light point Okay, so now we are getting this amazing lightning effect over the floor. So we just need to change this little bit, and I will increase the width of this floor. So let me go to the floor code and see can we increase this by 5, and after this I will uh, change the position of light. So for changing the position of light, we can use something like uh, light point dot position dot set, and we can set it around like -50 plus math dot random, and into 5 I think is enough, and similar thing y will be constant. So I will make this y I think 1 is enough, and after this z will be like same. So let me save it and check it again. So now we are getting it, but it's not at proper place. So let me set the position again. So we are changing this, and I think we can make it 50 and 50, and we can just minus this thing, and we can make it like 10 and 10. Save it. Okay, but now there not that much uh, change of position. So let me check why this is happening. This okay. Okay, so we have to just multiply by 10. I think 100. Okay, so now we are getting this amazing effect here. So now our lightning is done. Now I will load my FBX character, and so that we can uh, create put it here. So I will go to the documentation, and I will take the reference of FBX. Let me do the examples actually, and FBX. So I will just check out this example, and I will go to the source code. Here you can get how we can deal with FBX loader. So if you get this thing, we have to import one FbxLoader, and second thing is like inflate module I think, because without that FbxLoader doesn't work. So let me remove this, add this, but I will copy this loader code from here. So let me cut it copy it from here, and we'll go to the browser and paste it. And instead of this, I will use my FBX file. So I already told you in first part how you can download your FBX. So you can find that video. Okay, so here we have this FBX file in same folder. So here you can see, and after this we are adding this to our object, and we have to just take the reference of mixer. So I will go to the some above, and we'll copy this mixer and clock here, because we want to animate our character. So we need this, and I will uh, put them as a global variable, and apart from this we have to add some more code, and I will explain that everything. And here uh, we have to just copy this code. Okay, and I will paste it inside my animate function. So here for triggering my animation, we have to use this three dot animation mixer class, and we have to just uh, trigger this thing using this action dot play function. Okay, so guys, I think we are ready with our thing, but now we have to import our loader. So I will import it from script dot source and three samples and JS loaders, and I think FBX FbxLoader.js, and we have to import one other library also. So let me check if it is present somewhere in utilities. So I think it is not. So let me go to the this okay, examples JS, and we have this thing objects. I think objects has nothing like that. Okay, so we have to import this flatmin.js. So it is inside libs. So I will copy, go to this libs and fflat.min.js. So I think we are done. Now save it and go to the browser. So let me check if we are getting any kind of error. FbxLoader is not defined. Okay, I think I missed that part. So I will add this 3.fbxLoader. Okay, so now if we look at our code, we are getting this character here, but not at our required position. So I will just uh, descale this character and I will put it here. So I think we have first, I will descale object dot scale dot set, and I will uh, make it like 0.2 comma 0.2 comma 0.2. So let me save it and check it again if we are getting it as per our requirement or not. Okay, so now I think this is fine, but our character is going outside the frame. So let me check how we can manage this thing. So I will just rotate it. Okay, object dot rotate rotation dot set, and I will rotate it along the x-axis. So math dot pi divided by 2 comma 0 comma 0, and I think we don't need this much, so I will make it like 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. Save it and go to the browser. Okay, so I think we have to rotate it along y-axis. Okay, so now this I think this is fine, and everything is set, and our character is happy and dancing on the floor. So thank you guys for watching this whole tutorial, and in future I will come up with some more interesting projects so that you can uh, create uh, these kind of application using 3JS. Thank you.